Hello my friends, I have a fun little video for us today. I'm going on a quick little weekend trip for a friend's birthday to Punta Cana in the Dominican Republic. We're staying at an all-inclusive resort and I love sharing my little travel capsule wardrobes with you so you have an idea of what to pack for your own trips. So whether you're a snowbird escaping the winter blues or you have some spring or summer resort travel in the future, or maybe for beach or pools, whatever, you can always save this video and come back to it later so you have an idea of what to pack. So before we start packing, I almost always already have my travel capsule wardrobe planned out ahead of time. I can probably make a whole video on how I plan my travel capsule wardrobe, so let me know in the comments if that's something you'd be interested in. But I usually already have them pre-planned on Canva, so I'll pop it up over here, and that just makes packing so much easier. I'll also share a blog post down below with a list of everything that I recommend that you bring. It'll also serve as a checklist so that you don't miss anything, so definitely check that out. I'm also going to share all the links to the products I'm packing below, so in case you are looking for something similar, you can have the links for that. So let's get started with our packing. I'm packing 5 tops. This crochet top that's cute on its own but can also be worn as a cover-up when I'm in my bathing suit. I'm also bringing this blue striped linen shirt. It's nice and oversized and breathable for the warmer weather. And the same goes for this oversized cotton shirt. This satin shirt will be a little dressier and a perfect option for dinner. And I'm also bringing this oversized t-shirt so I can change into when we go to the water park. Since it's a short trip, I'm only bringing 2 bottoms, these linen shorts and a pair of white linen pants. Now for bags and accessories. I'm packing 2 bags. First, this brown tote bag. It'll be perfect for bringing my stuff to the pool and beach, but I also love that it folds up really flat so it won't take up too much space in my luggage. The other is this beautiful cream bag. It's a baguette shape, which I love, and looks like a dupe for a high-end bag. I wanted to have an option that was a little cuter for when we go to dinner. I'm also bringing 2 bathing suits, a black one and this really pretty kind of rust clay-colored one. And for shoes, I'm packing these beautiful Steve Madden sandals to walk around the resort and to have a nicer option for dinner. I ordered some other sandals that didn't arrive in time, so instead I'm bringing my Birkenstock tubes. Of course, we're going to be spending a lot of time in the sun, so I bought this wide brim hat and I'm also bringing a cap for the water park. Now we're ready to start packing, and Monos was kind enough to give me some new pieces for this trip that I can't wait to use. Starting with this new carry-on. This is the Hybrid Carry-On Plus, and it has clasps instead of a zipper, which I absolutely love because it makes opening and closing your suitcase so much easier. The clasps have TSA approved locks, so you can be stress-free even if you do have to check in your carry-on. The inside is super spacious with tons of pockets for organization, and these extra baggies are perfect for packing shoes, and they're also water resistant, so they work great if you need to pack a damp swimsuit. I also got their travel jewelry case. It's perfect for keeping your jewelry organized and tangle-free, and so many pieces fit in this small case. I also love that it's adaptable to what you need, so you can remove the ring organizer and the little pouch. Since this trip is going to be really short, I'm not taking too much jewelry because I'm scared to lose it at the pool or beach, so I'm only going to take the little pouch. Before we pack my personal item, let's get my new water bottle ready. This is the Kio UVC water bottle from Monos. The UVC technology eliminates up to 99.99% of bacteria with just the press of a button. It has 2 cleaning modes, a quick clean which cleans in 60 seconds and a deep clean which cleans in 3 minutes. It's so convenient for travel since you can have access to purified water wherever you are. Plus, it's USB-C rechargeable and is better for the environment by eliminating single-use water bottles.